Hi guys, it's Tamara with Anything is Possible Farm, and we're out here on a Sunday afternoon trying to rope the donkeys so we can get halters on them and look at their hooves and brush them. They're kind of skittish. When we first got them, they were abused. A friend of ours gave them to us, so we've been trying to tame them ever since, and it's really been hard.
Come over there.
You give them out of your hand. Because at home, we're not going to hurt the animals by any means. We just got to rope them to get them to us.
I didn't even eat half of that food.
Yeah, I know.
Mommy, now I can
Get your cap.
It's Liam saying hi.
Hi guys,
Pick
today
it up.
we're going to try to rope our donkeys. Brush them, make them look nice. For the winter season. Come on, kitty.
Good luck with that.
We're going to try to look at their hooves. And we're going to do something like brush them and get them ready for a new girlfriend. Bye.
Liam, stop moving, please. Yeah, there we go.
Also, when we get down, we're going to move them over here to some green pasture.
So there he is, not ready again.
How are you supposed to open?
Put this long out.
Yeah, because they're going to... Good luck, Mommy. Good luck.
Here goes our first try of roping.
And today we're going to do it. Welcome to Davis' Stomach Farm. I heard donkeys trying to rope them. We got them by our Mimi's friend.
There, you know what you're going to do.
I know.
Yep.
We can try. No, I'm not, because I'm not roping by the neck. Yeah, that's what we're supposed to do, rope them by the neck. But what if you accidentally...
Just get them.
You know, we're supposed to
Go
rope
for it. You
by
might as
the
well just
neck.
go for it.
No belly.
They're going to run anyways.
You know, we're supposed to rope them by the neck.
Yes. Around their neck, yes.
Mommy, one time we did it, it strangled him to death.
No, it didn't strangle them to death.
Yeah, Mommy.
I really
we
he's still
run
here. He
them
didn't
around
strangle
the
them to
neck.
death, silly.
Did he almost pass out?
Nope. He just stopped. He just froze. You have to do it though to get him come to you.
Hey, go stop that cat.
Boys, go there and stand right there where they will stay in that arena right there where your mom can get them. Go stand right there where they won't come near y'all. One stand over here, one stand over there, please.
Because we broke them by the neck.
Go. Go. It's gonna be funny because she's not gonna be able to rope them. She might get them roped. You might drag her a little bit. Boys, come over here and stand. Quick, guys. Just quit moving so she can get them. Stop, please. Help her out. Stay right there. Let William rope them.
I broke them one by the neck, Mommy. So let me try.
You're not going to like this at all. Quit.
Lucas, come on. Lucas, get down. Get him, Mommy.
It's gonna be way harder.
Oh, let's try. Let's try.
No? Okay, here, try it.
Get Joey out of the video, Joey. I don't want my film.
Liam.
So now the boys are going to try to rope them.
Mommy, I got it now.
Alright, hold on. Go over there, Lucas. Stay right here so that way I can throw the rope while you have the end of it.
Nope.
Come, get him to come here, Liam. Wow.
Give me the rope.
No, he's gonna turn around as soon as you.
Jack's just going to stay freeze. He's going to freeze, guys. He ain't going to go nowhere. Wasn't that cool? You got him.
Okay, now.
How hard was that? That's crazy. Look at Mo. Mo's like, yep, I'm glad you got him, not me.
No. Come here. It's okay.
Go get the halter.
Come here.
Mimi, why does she look like she's pregnant?
Because he's just fat. He's fat and sassy. We fattened him up. They were skinny when we got him.
Give him some cookies.
Go get him. Bring the cookies, Lucas. Stop, Lucas. Go get, Lucas, what is that?
Come in the front of him. Come in the front. Go get the whole.
Go get the halter, Lucas. Liam, come here. Hold this camera.
This is the second time we've done this too.
Don't do that too hard, buddy, or he's not going to want to stay with us, okay? What a good boy. Good boy. Don't go up there by him. It's okay. You're okay. Hey. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay.
And there's cookies in the bowl.
It's okay. Good boy. What a good boy, Mo.
This is dude.
Which is this? Mo?
This is Jack.
Jack. That's right. Let me see this.
Little Jack and Little Jack. No, it's
Big Mo and Little Jack.
it's Little Jack and Big Jack. Little Jack and Little Big Mo.
Good boy.
Good, Mommy. The other one's dead.
I know I need to get the halter on him so you can go ahead and get Jack too. Okay? Look. It's okay.
They're scared of the gunfire.
No.
Good boy.
What are you doing?
Good boy.
Face here. Oh, look what the dog is biting
Liam,
on the face.
hold. I need your.
Mimi, you can do
No,
this
no,
now.
it's okay.
Oh, where does that go? On the ear.
Come here, Jack.
No, stop. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Liam, you're gonna have to chill out.
No, turn around. Turn around. It's not on you right or something.
Yeah, it is.
Move. Liam, move. There you go.
Mimi, they're just like the horses, but different.
It goes around his head, forehead. Oh,
Yeah, it does like that because I've been watching YouTube videos like this.
I don't think it goes around his head like that.
Yeah, it does because this goes underneath this too.
No, wait a minute. Something's not right because that goes around. Okay, maybe so. I don't know.
Right. This goes
Watch
under
a
his
YouTube
chin.
video.
That's the only way that it goes because you wouldn't be able to keep the halter on him if it didn't.
So you're sliding him by his eyes. You let that loose a little bit. Sliding him by his eyes. It's all in his eyes.
Yeah, it's not. It's supposed to be up there. It's not in his eyes, Mom.
Okay, well, all right.
What do you mean?
Okay.
Good boy.
And can I have a cover?
Yeah, here.
What a good boy.
Liam, rope that one.
No, just do one at a time. You can get him to walk, we get him outside and walk him around.
All right, let me see it.
We'll do. I think we'll do just one at a time.
That's
You
a good boy.
That's a good boy.
let your mom see it, buddy.
Clip it. Hold on. Let me find the thing. Right here, the ring. You got it?
Front with.
I promise I will. What if we both hold it?
Okay, well, I need your rope to come back through here real quick.
Come back through here, Lucas.
Let me see it. Okay, I'm not going to let him go yet because I got to put this through here, okay? All right. Once I let this off of him, he's going to probably try to run.
Yeah,
okay?
so hold on to the deal. Let your mama hang on to it.
No, I got it. No, Liam, come help me.
Come on, Doc. Come on, Jack. Let's go, Jack. Wait, he isn't on. He won't go. He just sits there. Just pet him, guys. He likes to be on the side with his neck. That's what they said.
A good boy.
Go get the brushing, boys.
Here, bring your crackers and shake it. Go ahead.
Nope, he's not gonna do it.
It's okay. You might.
Someone hold this.
Hold on. I got
He's fixing to run.
lightheaded from being down there so freaking long. Shit.
Look at his ears. He's not happy. Liam, don't try to rope him right now. Just wait. Let's work on one right now.
Lucas, come walk him over here if you can. Just try to pull him over there.
Gra-
Mom, go ahead and tie him up. and put him in the thing with some, get another cup of feed. I know it's stupid, but just feed him.
It's okay. Got him.
Charlie,
It's okay, come here. Buddy.
please stay calm.
Come here, it's okay. Shh, shh, shh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I need the cookies. What, Lucas, do with the cookies?
Over here.
Go grab, no.
Slow.
Lucas, no, buddy, come here. Go in the middle and walk all the way back. Don't go up behind him. Keep going, slow. Keep going. Do not circle him yet. I said keep going. Close to him. When you
Still pull before he takes off with you. You gotta pet him and use the Mo. Talk to Mo. Tell him it's okay, Sierra.
It's okay, buddy. Hold on. Don't walk up to him yet. Let me get this around.
Don't walk up to him, Lucas, yet.
Put this on.
I need you to set those down.
Look at Jack and his little blue dude. Isn't he cute?
Grab this other side of
He looks so cute. Jack's so cute.
Pull it. Bring it through. Damn it. Liam, stop.
Leave him
I
alone,
don't need you
Liam.
to
Just
do
leave him
that. I
alone,
need you to
please.
just back up, please.
Mommy.
He's scared.
So you gotta stop with
Come
it.
to me.
Come here, Jack.
Make a
Come here,
loop.
buddy.
Pull
Come here.
it through it. All the way. Even the top string. Pull it. Pull the top.
Look here, buddy.
Only the top.
Look here, Bubba. Look here. Come here. Here, look here, Jack. Jack. Come here,
Now
Jack. Here.
come,
Put some food.
Liam, come over here.
Good boy. Good boy. Yes, very good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Good boy, Jack. You're so good.
You're gonna have
Yes.
to tie another knot. It ain't gonna stay. Get down.
Oh, look at Jack. He's got his food.
Let go.
Nope. Come here. 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 Look here, Jack. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Jack. Come here.
Don't let go.
Come here, Bubba. Come on.
Never let go.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Here we go, Bubba. Come on. Come on, buddy. Here you go. Look.
Come here, buddy. Look, I can't look.
Come here. Look, Bubba. Here, look, buddy. Look here, Jack. Come here. Here, Jack. Come on, baby. Come on, buddy. Here you go. Come on. It's okay, Mo. Come on, Bubba boys. Come on. Come on, guys.
So you're doing a job.
Come on, Jack. Come on, buddy. So we got Jack and rope. The boys are feeding him. Trying to get him just to take a few steps. Tell him good boy. We got Mo over here. He's still wanting to work. He's still being stubborn as a mule. Come here. Don't let him walk over there, Liam. Come on, Tom. Come on. And she's working with him now. So when you got a donkey that won't budge, you pull him a little bit, give him some slack. Pull him until he tug on him until he takes a few steps. Then you tell him, reward him, say good boy, and you loosen up the.
Can we name him
Nope.
something else?
Nope, their names are Jack and Mo.
How about
They were that way when we came, so that's what they're gonna stay. They've always been called that.
please
No,
change his name and let his name stay?
no,
Please?
please stop. Good job, Mo. Good boy. Good boy.
Can we call him stubborn? Stubborn.
No.
Look, he's. How about
You got him where he's gonna walk?
Mimi? This is a good name for him. Redneck. Redneck.
How long do you think we should work with him? Just for a few and then let him go?
Well, I wouldn't take the halters off of him.
Okay.
That way they can start realizing that they are going to, this is going to keep happening.
We're gonna start working with him once a day for maybe an hour, getting them used to us, and then hopefully eventually they will. Jack's pretty more relaxed than Mo is. Stop with that right now, Liam. Hey, they don't like loud noises. We're gonna have to get them used to loud noises. We're gonna have to get them used to, where they're not spooked all the time. But we're doing better today than we were doing. Don't lay on anybody. Like I said, Mo's a little more stubborn than Jack is. But he likes to be petted. If you pet him on the sides here, he loves it. Sit there and pet him for a minute.
Me?
No, your mama. Yep. See, eventually, boys, you gotta stop. You can't be so. But you gotta be subtle. You can't just say, "Come on, Mo," or Jack.
Come on, Jack.
Come on, Jack. Go, boy. I know he's got you, and I don't. I know. Come on, so he's gonna pull you. You're gonna do what he do. He does what you want him to do. You don't do what he wants to do. You make him do what you want him to do. That means you're in control, and not the donkey.
Come on, let's go over here.
Come on, Jack.
Here. Come on, it's okay.
Come on, Jack.
Let's go over here.
Let me see. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Jack. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Jack. Oh, you can get some more food? Okay. Don't throw it in the hay. So don't let him eat it out of your hand, please.
It's right on the house.
There's Mo. Mo's still giving Sierra trouble a little bit. Come on, Mo. Come on, Bubba. Come on, boy. Come on, Bubba.
I'm staying down here.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Bubba. Come on, boy. Good boy, Mo. Good boy. Good boy, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come here. Come on, Jack. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yay! Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, Jack. Come here. Look how dusty you all are. You are really dusty. Yeah, really dusty. You're so soft and cuddly, though. Yeah, you're so soft and cuddly. There's Mo. Come on, Mo. Let's do it, Mo. Come on, Bubba. Come here, Mo. Come on, buddy. Jack, come on. Jack, come on. Come on. Come on, Bubba. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, come on. You're on the chubby side, aren't you? You little fat thing. Fat and sassy. There, he's fat and sassy. Come on. Come on, Jack. What do you guys think? You're... Come on, Mo.
Come on, buddy.
We're just trying to get him to lead on the rope. He doesn't like a rope. When we first got him, they were abused, and a lady that I know had him. She got him from the people that were abusing them, and they come up and get a cookie from you or get hay from you, but that's pretty much about it. And we got him. We've had him for about a year, 2 years, I guess now, and we had them almost where they were coming up to you. Then I kind of quit working with them, and I wish I had them now, because now that I did. See, look, it ain't going to hurt you. Look, it ain't going to hurt you. Look, no, see? It's good. Good boy. So we're just going to work with them every day. I'll put a video out every day about working with them, and let's see from today to, maybe in like 2 weeks how they are. If they're more gentle or if they're still skittish.